team measured the area of Miss Jones' office. We measured the base and the height of her office. Our dimensions were 18 feet as the base and 21 feet as the height. To find the area, we had to multiply 80 times 21. These are large numbers, so our strategy was to use the area model, and my friend Anthony will explain how we use the area model.
First, I'm going to decompose 18, so it's 10.
Hold on, mijo. What did you say? What was the approach?
Area model.
The area model is approach? Okay. What was the first word you used? Can you say it a little bit louder?
Decompose.
Great. Okay, so first you decompose. Go ahead, continue.
Now decompose 18, so 10 plus 8 equals 18, and then I decompose 21, so it's 20 plus 1 equals 21. Then I'm going to multiply 2 times 1 equals 2. Then if you see zeros, you put on next to those 2. And I see 2 zeros, so it's 200. Then 2 times 8 equals 16. And I see 1 0, so 1 times 1 equals 1. And I see 1 0, so it's 10. That's 1 times 8 equals 8, and there's no zeros. Now, I'm going to align my partial product.
Which ones are your partial products? Can you point to them? Okay, good. Thank you.
Then I'm going to add it up, and it gives me 378 square feet.
Okay.
Now I want to pass it to my friend Alexa, and she's going to explain area model. I mean formula.
Our area equals base times height. Our second area for the equation is 18 times 21. And our final area for the answer is 378 square feet.
Okay, so the first component was the formula, right? Base times height. What was the second one?
Area?
The second one is the area also?
No, the equation.
The equation. Can you point to it so that I know which one you're referring to? Okay, and what do we call the last one?
Our final product.
Well done, Mija. Thank you. And go ahead. Who's next?
Pass it to my friend Josiah.
Josiah. Okay. Bring it down, Mija, a little bit.
We took the factors from... I'm going to explain the survey property.
Down.
And I took the factors from the area model, and we decomposed 18 and 21. So 10 times 20 is 200, and 1 times 10 is 10, and 20 times 8 is 160, and 1 times 8 is 8.
Okay, let me ask you, Mijo, what approach did you use to solve this multiplication for the area?
Distributive property.
Once again?
Distributive property.
Okay, and those answers that you have next to the equations, what do we call those? Do we call them factors or something else?
Partial products.
Partial products is right. I noticed that you guys have factors. Factors would be the other numbers. These numbers right here. Yeah. Yes, those would be the factors. The answer would be the partial products. Okay. Anything else?
And by adding all these partial products, our answer was 378 square feet.
Okay, so based on the area model and the distributed property, you got the same answer. So that pretty much tells you that the area is 378 square feet. Okay, who's next?
I'm going to pass it to my friend Ashley.
She's going to show you how to align. I got my products from right here, and I align them with a line, and I add them, and my final product is 378 square feet.
Okay. Can any of you tell us why we use a line? Why is it important to use a line? Okay, Mija, why don't you tell us since you have the microphone?
Because it's important to pull them a line, because if you pull the 10 right here, it will be wrong.
Okay, and we have a special word for that. What is that word? An academic word. I think that Josiah would like to share that. Can you give him the microphone?
Lined up.
Lined up is good. That would be more like everyday language, don't you think? Anyone knows the academic word that we use to put him in the right place? I actually just gave you a hint without knowing. Do you know? No? Yes, Mija? What is it?
We want to arrange the place value of the different partial products.
Yes, you want to maintain the place value. Good job, Mija. Okay, who's next?
Now I'm going to pass it to my friend Siglali.
Sudalika.
This is our conclusion, and by using area model and distributed property, we found the area of Mrs. Jones' office, and our total product was 278 square feet. And if we needed to replace Mrs. Jones' office carpeting, we would need 278 square feet.
Okay.
May I ask something else?
Yes, hold on. Let's. Okay, go ahead, Selena.
It's important to have feet squared as our units, because if you don't tell what type of measurement, we might say inches or meters, so it's important to keep the units the same.
Okay, well done. Well, anyone has a question? No? We're good? Okay, let's give them a round of applause.